with the pioneer of technical analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Okay, let's bring in C.K. Narayan then on the equity markets with the JSW steel, which even in a rising market is getting negatively impacted given the kind of news flow.
See, I think most people simply follow the news, right, in planning their action. And so it's no surprise to see that when the news flow is a little bit negative, most of the trading action is also negative. But that's precisely when markets actually or stock prices actually creep into support zones. So if you look at the price chart of JSW, let's say you look at the weekly chart, you will probably find that around 585 to 590 is where the, a strong support is emerging. Now, in the sort of atmosphere of all this negative news, it is possible that we will trade down near it. We may not exactly hit it, we may slightly exceed it. All these things are possible, but that's not the key point. The key point from a small investor or a general investor's point is that they should be looking to buy good stocks or leader type stocks in and around support zone. I think all this noise and this negativity is bringing JSW into levels of support, somewhere around 585. So I would say around 600 levels is where they should probably think about going long the stock. Keep a stop loss of about 20-25 rupees because it is after all a 600 rupees stock. So as a small investor, you should give about 2-3-4% for your stop loss. So this is the time to start looking at whether to buy JSW and not really thinking about whether I should short it in the light of all this negativity. Okay. Trading it short is for the traders, but even there you find that in spite of the news flow, the stock is not really making new lows. So I think, the buyers are emerging out there.
Okay.
So from here till about 585 is where I would look to buy it.
Okay, so don't short JSW, says C.K. Narayan.